we stopped here at the Love's and got ourselves some $2.77 per gallon diesel fuel, because everywhere else it was quite pricey, you know. We'll try to make it there, Volvo. But as you can tell, they are lined out all the way out the street. And we only need like 8 more minutes of getting a 30-minute break there. I'm not sure what RBT is doing. I think he thought he was going to park there at the end of the ramp, but you can't do that, man. Anyway, but we're not one of those guys going to sit there for 8 more minutes and block the fuel aisle. That's how long it took us. That's how long it took us to get in and get out after filling. Well, you broke down last start because I could give you a hand there.
Got that Lowe's, they're back down through.
You had a weird looking motor in that Volvo. I don't know what that thing was. But anyway, so there's that. Fun stuff. I got a couple of JB Hunt emails while we were sitting there. I'm gonna call on that one. Looks like I got some Amazon loads coming up starting in June. Power only. I want to call and see what, if they're looking for bids or what they're looking for. Get around this NFI truck. We don't like those guys. They hold everybody up. I don't know why. Okay. See you.
Thank you. We go right on and make 2 rests in about 5 miles.
Well, good morning from Tennessee. We spent the night last night there at the 140 or 126 North 40 truck stop. We were going to go over here to the Petro at the 188, and I almost reserved a parking spot. But it was like 7:30 at night. I went to reserve it. It was going to be like $18. And they still had like 14 spots available. So I backed out of it and canceled it. And I whipped off into the 126 there, North 40 truck stop. Parked there for free. Got up this morning, paid for a shower, a cup of coffee, and a tenderloin biscuit, and it cost me $9 and a penny. So look at that, I just saved $9 because the penny come out of the penny bucket. So aha! So yeah, $9. Free parking, shower, coffee, and a tenderloin biscuit. $9. So yeah. Because we would have got a shower at the Petro for free because we got like 9 shower credits at the Petro. But it would have cost $18. Plus a cup of coffee. Plus the biscuit. So yeah. As Charlie Sheen says, winning. But anyway, y'all see that sun bounce off that hood? So even though I do have a drop visor, notice I did say drop visor on here, plus my sun visor, the sun comes off that hood and blinds you. Everybody's like, oh, you put a chrome strip down the center of the hood. Yeah, right there's why we don't do that. It's bad enough the way it is. So anyway, we're going to go over here and play in Nashville rush hour traffic. We're going to go here to Knoxville and unload these bottles. Go to the Blue Beacon and get her washed. And then take it home, take a pressure washer to the inside of the trailer and get it cleaned up. And we have 8 chicken lights out. 7 on one of the breathers and 1 light on the trailer. So we got to do some electrical work. Corrosion is taking over. So we got to fix that. And then plug all the other ones and put some electrical grease on them. And plug them back up. So we got a lot to do, come on. Today's Thursday. We should be able to get it done between Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And be able to ride the bike a little bit too. Harley Davidson there in Chattanooga is having a free lunch. So we'll go ride the motorcycle down there and get us a free burger. And just enjoy the day. Come on. But anyway, just thought I'd give you guys an update on the travels. See ya. Okay, we are going to make our delivery. Made over here without any trouble at all. We're going to go slow as to not mess up our on-duty unloading time on our electronic logbook. So, which door do you guys want to hit? I think we'll hit whichever one the truck wants to go to. What do you think about that? Yeah. And what I mean by that is, all depends on how the driver turns the wheel. Because it's hit or miss. Sometimes the driver has a good day, sometimes the driver has a bad day. So I can't get you guys up here to read that sign. Just a moment. Y'all see that sign up there? You're not going to be able to see it. I got to cut her back. Got to cut her back. Okay, you guys want the flashers. Someone will kick me if I don't use the flashers. You better use the flashers. Well, we split both of them. Just kidding. Going into the middle one. So I'm going to open the doors. Be right back. Okay, so the sign says drivers must stay in their trucks with the engine running while being loaded. Do you guys note that we backed into that dock without even the first pull-up? How you like that? How you like that? I think I'll scoot over 2 inches. I lied. I'm going to scoot over 2 inches. I was on the line, but their line is off. I don't like it. I didn't like it. Come on. So there you go. That wraps up that trip. We're going to take this thing home and wash it. We're going to wash it to Blue Beacon. And we're going to take it home and wash the inside of the trailer. We're going to wash the walls, the inside of the doors. We're going to wax the outside of the trailer. We hope we have time for all that stuff. Ta-da! Yes, that sign says keep engine running. We got a tri pack. We're going to fire it up. So do we have our lights on? No, we do not. I hear a goose. The old girl is dirty. The old girl is dirty. So anyway, we took our straps out because these pallets are full of bottles and they're in there sideways. So let's go see how we did. I think we centered the door pretty good. So, yeah, she's in there straight. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, there you go. Get this unloaded and we'll go get her washed up. So let's go fill out the invoice and make a tuna salad sandwich and then go get her cleaned up. She got nasty in there and all that rain. See that? Blue Beacon will fix it though. She'll fix it. Look at her. Look at that, man. That's disgusting. Okay. So appreciate you guys watching. Hanging in there. I think he's still alive. Is he still alive? No, just the wind. Just the wind blowing him. Anyway, see you guys on the next one. We're out of here.